Say hi. Hi, girl. Y'all, we at her doctor's appointment right now. Hopefully she don't have to get no shots today. So, yeah. Yeah. You ready? Huh, mama? You ready? Huh? Yeah, let me see what she did in her pacifier. Look what she did. I gotta get her another pacifier. I'm trying to get her off of bottles. I'm trying to get her on cups, y'all. It's been terrible. She do not like cups. Don't want no cup. No. So, yeah. So we are at her doctor's appointment. So I guess I'll talk to you guys once she gets in back. Say bye, Bill. Y'all, I cannot believe my baby weigh 21 pounds. She is so tiny. Look at her. She's so tiny, y'all. I can't believe she weighs 21 pounds. So basically, she's still eating good, even if she don't eat, period, okay? So, yeah, we're in the back. Mama. Look at her. Pull her barrette out. Look, give me. Thank you. Bella. I don't know why she do this. Hey. Y'all, I gotta go. Let me fix her hair. Look at her. Look at her. She always messing her hair up. What? Mama. What? No. Look, y'all, she is terrible. Got a little attitude. She ain't number one. No. What? No. She don't want to sit here. Good morning. Sorry, no. Good morning, you guys. What's up? Welcome. So, you guys, little Miss London has an appointment today. I am about to take my baby a bath. Say hi, London. Say hi, London. Hi, London. Hi, baby. So, I am about to take her a bath, you guys. Get her dressed, get myself dressed, and then we will be on our way out. It is 12:30 in the afternoon. So, her appointment is at 2:40. So, I'm going to go ahead and get us together, and I'll be back. What's wrong, London? You dressed now, girl. Y'all, she upset. So, you guys, we are on our way out this piece. About to make it to an appointment. It's 2:05, so we right on time. So, yeah. Hi, baby. Hi. Say hi, everybody. Say, I'm at my doctor's appointment. Here you are, girl. Here you are. So, you guys, we are at her doctor's appointment. We are checked in, check. So, yeah, just waiting to be called in the bed. Right, baby? Hey, Chucks. You guys, London weighs 15 pounds. She is so fat. Oh, my God. Look at these chunky thighs. Look at these chunky arms. Say, I am just chunky. Come here. Say, I am just chunky. I am so chunky. Hi, baby. Hi. So right now, you guys, we are waiting for the doctor to come in. So I'll talk to you guys once the doctor gets in here, and we'll go from there. Y'all, we are so over it. Look at her. She cranky now, y'all. We've been sitting here waiting for the doctor for over an hour. Okay. I know. I'm ready to go too. I know. Yeah, London is really upset, y'all. She gotta get shots. So I gotta stand up and move around with her so she won't be crying. Y'all, she got her shot. Don't cry, Londyn. She got her shot. She got. She won this one. She won this one. It's okay, Londyn. I'm about to put her clothes on so we can go. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys. Londyn, you still mad? Are you still upset? Hi. Okay, no. I mean, my hubby is looking at barns. What is these? These are barns, right?
Yeah, this it works. This perfect. This perfect.
Yes.
This ain't perfect.
I like it. It's big, babe. Yeah, y'all, this one big. Yeah. I like that one. Like a little house. Oh, wow, yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay, you guys, so we are done looking at barns for today. I'm tired. Actually, really tired. My hair need to be combed. Y'all, my hair look like it's going all types of ways because we're blown in the wind. Anyway, now we are, boy, babe is inside the store. He is getting us some teriyaki on a stick. So, yeah, see Mina. Hey, Mina. Hey, baby. She eating her pizza. We got the kids some pizza. So they're eating that. So yeah, just wanted to come and give you guys an update. You know, I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Say hey, bud. Hey, Marnie. Hey, Mel. Alright, you guys, so we just got home probably about an hour and 30 minutes ago. We are just relaxing. As you guys can see, Londyn is sleeping. She is sleeping right now. She just got finished eating. But she is knocked, y'all.
Hi.
Hey, bud. My eyebrows look crazy as heck. Yeah, baby. My eyebrows look crazy. To my hubby.
Okay,
Hey, Mina. Feel good? Took a bath? Your hair look crazy. Alright, you guys. So I just wanted to come and say that I appreciate you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to, if you did, hold on, baby. Don't forget, you guys, if you did, please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video.